The air didn't smell like artisanal lavender or expensive espresso. It smelled of heavy grain, coal smoke, and the sharp, antiseptic sting of pure alcohol. This wasn't just a factory, it was a city within a city. Gooderham and Worts was, for a time, the largest distillery in the world. It processed more grain, paid more taxes, and shaped more of the Toronto skyline than any other entity. The massive iron gears ground to a halt in 1990. There was no grand ceremony for the end of the industrial age in Toronto. No parade for the thousands of workers who had spent generations hauling barrels across these cobblestones. Just a padlock on a gate and a sudden, deafening silence that settled over 13 acres of Victorian masonry. For a decade,